Hi kids! Let us embark on a Peekaboo jungle safari. Prepare for an exciting jungle adventure as we discover the hidden wildlife lurking among the trees. Buckle up! Peekaboo! Who's hiding in this thicket? It's the king of the jungle, the mighty lion! Can you roar like a lion? Peekaboo! Who's bathing in the water? It's a gentle giant, the elephant. Let's make elephant trumpet sounds. Peekaboo! Who's reaching for the leaves? It's the graceful giraffe. Let's stretch our necks like the giraffe. Peekaboo! Who's dashing through the grass? It's the swift cheetah. Let's run like the cheetah. Peekaboo! Who's grazing with the herd? It's the striped zebra. Can you gallop like the zebra? Peekaboo! Who's lurking in the swamp? It's the hefty hippo. Let's make hippo grunting sounds. Peekaboo! Who's charging through the brush? It's the powerful rhino. Let's stomp our feet like the rhino. Peekaboo! Who's swinging from the vines? It's the playful gorilla. Let's swing like the gorilla. Peekaboo! Who's lurking beneath the water? It's the stealthy crocodile. Let's snap our jaws like the crocodile. Peekaboo! Who's resting in the cave? It's the mighty bear. Let's growl like the bear. Peekaboo! Who's prowling through the trees? It's the fierce tiger. Let's roar like the tiger. Thank you for joining us on our thrilling Peekaboo safari adventure. We had an amazing time discovering all the incredible animals of the jungle. Subscribe to TwinkleCubs for more videos.